Hello, class. So this week we were asked to review the Schoolhouse Rock, the Great American Melting Pot video, and try to elaborate on how that would look if it was presented today. Whenever I heard a professor talking about Schoolhouse Rock, I thought it sounded familiar, and then when I finally got to YouTube and did some research, it was very familiar, just from growing up back in the days whenever it was on TV. If there was to be a release of Schoolhouse Rock, something associated to the melting pot, I think today the focus would be totally different. It would be more of a focus on how we can get back to that feeling of feeling like a united family and feeling like a melting pot. One thing that I think definitely would change is it'd be more dancey, more TikTok vibe, if you will. It would be more upbeat as far as the tune and the melody of the song that was singing, and I just feel like that's just the trend that you see today in the aesthetic of the, I guess, pop culture today. So I do think it would be more centered toward a TikTok reel or a Vine, if you will. I also think that it would include buzzwords like diversity, inequity, and inclusion. Black Lives Matter would be in there. We would definitely see names like George Floyd. And it would definitely speak on, I think, events that have taken place. Especially this year, there would definitely be references to Trump and possibly even Make America Great Again. Overall, I just think that the focus would be more geared toward a social media generation, if you will. I feel there would be more choreography, it would be real people, and it would just be speaking to a totally different audience. And the focus would be more on getting back to that place, rather than the Great American Melting Pot was more of a celebration song.